Hey guys, this is Nidhu Gandhi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to unbox this OnePlus Watch Z White Edition and give my first impressions about how this product is. So without wasting any more time, let's roll the intro. So we have the retail packing here which says OnePlus Watch Z with the color name and the OnePlus logo. We have a graphic of the product here and nothing else on the box, and behind we have some more detailed information about this product. So let's quickly remove the packing here. So we have the buds here on the top of the box. Let's quickly keep them aside and let's check what else do we have in the box. And we have this little red packing. Let me quickly open this up, and it says accessories here, so let's quickly remove it. So we are going to quickly open up this box and check what's inside this little box. And I see some sort of black card, and let me remove everything. So also we have this charging cable, nothing else inside the box. And the first thing you get is this dash charger, which is a fast charger. We are going to look it after a moment. Let's quickly check what else in the box. So we have a red cable club card here, some booklets which is a starter guide and a warranty information guide. Now let us take a look at the buds itself. So one thing I forgot to remove from the box was extra buds which you get with this product. There are 3 sizes, small, medium and large, so you can choose accordingly. Let me quickly remove this packing. Okay, so we have these extra buds which are of good quality. So coming to the main product, you get this capsule shaped charging case and a front LED light here. Let me remove this packing first. Okay, and we have a LED indicator light here, and when you go behind you get a charging port and a air button. Below you get some information, you can read it. And when you open this case up, there's a green light which turns off, which indicates these buds are ready to be paired. So let me quickly remove them. First thing to say that this is made up of very good quality and the magnets are really good. Here you can see I'm trying to keep the case upside down, but they are not falling off easily, so this is a very good plus point. You get L and R indication, which can be easy to keep these buds inside the case. You get some sort of glossy finish here, a secondary mic here and magnetic ports here which will charge these buds when you are not using them inside the case. You get the primary mic below. So the right hand side of the bud is exactly same, with the exact same features here. You can see left and right indication is given on the buds too, which is really good. So coming at the specification of this product, this OnePlus Buds Z features 10mm audio driver as well as 20 hours of battery life. OnePlus Buds Z features an IP55 rating as well for water and dust resistance. Company claims that if you charge this for 10 minutes, you can listen music for 3 hours straight, which is a really good thing as it supports fast charging. So these buds also supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, as well as this product also has ultra low latency mode, which is really helpful in gaming. Also these products have touch supports on them. Each earbuds weighs around 4.35 grams and charging case weighs around 40 grams, which is very lightweight. Coming to the price point of this product is available at Rs 3190 on Amazon, Flipkart and OnePlus website. If you want to purchase this product, link is in description. So this was all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe this channel, like this video for more content like this. Meet you in the next episode. Goodbye, take care.